Okay, so today we're going to talk about creating an internet file in Notepad using HTML coding. So the first thing I would do is I would actually open up Notepad. You should be able to go to the left-hand corner of the Windows icon and click on it. And then on the right-hand corner, let's just see, there should be up here a search. And you could search, and all you have to do is type in Notepad. And once you type in Notepad, it will come up. And what I would do is I would look at the assignment and I would see this. This is what you need to have done. So I would just copy and paste it just so you can have reference to it. Up here. And maybe fix this so you know. So this is what you need in your assignment today. You need the first heading to be your name, last name. The second heading to be the date. And the third heading to be Life After Compton. And then maybe a paragraph. So we're going to move those down. And then I would click on the link, actually file. I'm going to file, save as. Save it to the desktop. And I would put my name on it right here. And save it as an HTML so that you could see the internet. Change this to all files. Change this to UTF-8. Click save. And you're saving it. So what I would do is I would go to the link. And right here tells you what you should be looking at on the tabs. So I'm going to exit out of there and go to the link. And then I'm going to go to maybe the tutorial and see that there's a heading there. And if you look further down, or the next tab, it's going to explain you the heading. So what I would do is I would probably copy and paste this just to make it easy. Right here. And bring it up here. So now you have your type of file. So the first heading is your name and your last name. So I'm going to put my name and my last name. Miss Flores. We'll just put it. Then I'm going to put the date. So I'm going to make another one, maybe a heading 2, which is H2. And I'm going to put the date. So the date is April 7th, 2017. And then I have a third heading, which is Life After Compton. So I'm going to put Life After Compton. And then I ask you to put 5 sentences of what you plan to do after high school. So I'm going to put after high school. I would like to attend community college for computer science. So there's one sentence.
Last call for all 11th grade students to please report to the auditorium for a very important meeting, very important information. Teachers, release your 11th grade students to the auditorium. Thank you.
I would like to find a job in the field. I my ideal living arrangements would be to live, let's just put that, at home with my parents. So I have 3 sentences there, and maybe 4 or 5. So I need 2 more. Okay. So I'll put, once I receive my GED requirements in college, I would like to transfer to we'll just put maybe UC Berkeley. I hope to be a doctor one day. So that's, let's just say that's what I put. Then what else we have? We have to create an image and insert an image of your college. Okay, so we're going to go insert an image. So I'm going to go back here and actually see where does it go to for an image. And you can see the page structure here. You have your HTML, your body, and your paragraph, and then it closes. So I'm looking for where it says for the image, and the image would probably be right here in basic. So you have headings here. It talks a little bit about the headings. Then it talks about the paragraphs. And now we have images right here. So I want to go ahead and put an image. And I'm going to go ahead and go on the internet, look for an image of UC Berkeley. Let's see. And we'll just put UC Berkeley. So I'm going to put it right here. Maybe highlight it. Right click. Save image as. Make sure it saves as a JPEG. Well, we're going to try the PNG. See if it saves. So we're going to save it as Berkeley. And then I'm going to go back here and insert that. So I see the images here. Here's the image. No, that's the link. So here's the image here. Let's just see where that's coming from. So we have the source file right here. So we're going to control copy. Maybe here. Control paste. And then we have the source file, which we got to change. What do we save? What do we change that to in the desktop? We change it to Berkeley. berkeley.png. Okay, so we're going to go back to our notepad and put berkeley.png. And then we're going to just put the website as, we'll look at the website Berkeley. We'll see where this website came from. Okay, so visit page. So we'll just see that the website came here. We'll highlight here. And we'll see where that goes. Okay, so then the last thing it says, we'll just see if this works. And how can we see it? Because you go to File, Save. And we're just going to see if it works. So I'm going to come down here, exit out of here, and see where this file is at. It should be around here. Right here. I think. Okay, not that one. Let's see another one. Where is this file? Oh, here it is. Okay, so see how that came out? That came out nicely. And if you want to change the size, you can. So we're going to go back to the file in Notepad. And where is the Notepad? Let's see what Notepad brings up. Okay, so here's my Notepad file. And we want to get rid of this because we've done all this. And now we have to insert, add a link. So let's just change this. I'm going to change this to make it look a little bit bigger. Yeah, a little bit. Let's see how that looks. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a link. So I would come here and add a link. And you can see that this is how you add a link right here. And once you're done adding a link, you go ahead and you submit it. So we'll go over here, add a link. And we'll probably put it berkeley.com. Probably UC Berkeley. Right here. We're going to add a link. We're going to add a link right here. And maybe get rid of this and just put Berkeley here. UC